Thank you so much for your time on the AM show. Hope you've been enjoying the show. I have been enjoying it. And you know, here at Joy News, we are all about making impact and making a difference in the lives of all of you, and especially those who are underprivileged. And this morning I've been joined by the Ring Road Central Rotary Club, and they're doing something really special, and it's focused on children. You know, I'm the baby doctor, right? So everything about children excites me. And this morning I've been joined by Juanita Esiedu. She's the project director. So you stay with us, you'll be learning more about that project. And I've also been joined by Kojo Kram. He is President, Rotary Club of Accra, Ring Road Central. Good morning to you. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning, and good morning to all viewers.
All right, so we hear a lot about Rotary Club. What exactly do you do?
We're a service organization, and we reach out into the community, and wherever we see a need, we try to step in to intervene and make things better for people.
How long have you been doing this? How long have you been in existence?
Our club is 37 years old. But
okay, so there are different clubs of Rotary. Okay.
Yes, Rotary International.
Okay.
Rotary International was formed in Chicago in 1905.
Okay.
So that's how long Rotary has been. But Rotary has been in Ghana for a little over 50 years.
Okay, but this particular...
And our club, the Ring Road Central, Rotary Club of Accra, Ring Road Central, is about 37 years old.
All right. So on the 23rd, which is this Saturday, right, Juanita, you're doing something interesting. Yeah. You're walking, but you call it Walk for a Child. Tell us about it.
Okay. Every year we do Walk for a Child. We raise, it's a fundraising walk for various projects, but this particular year we are working for, to go and complete our Brikuso project. It's a clinic we are constructing for Brikusu.
Okay. The community of Brikusu up the mountain.
Yeah.
Why did you settle on Brikusu?
Okay. 2 years ago, our president then, VP Charles Ochre, his main project was to renovate a chip compound and then we selected a few chip compounds. We went to this particular Brikusu chip compound, and if I can have the pictures.
Sure. And we'll be showing you those pictures shortly, the before and the after, so that you get a fair idea of what it was before and what the Rotary Club Accra Ring Road Central is trying to do. So that is what she saw.
Yeah.
Right.
So this particular room is a ward, same as the records room. That's where they keep their files. So this room has only 2 beds. So this is the male ward.
And this is where sick people were being catered for?
Yeah.
This is the
clinic.
Wow.
And this small entrance you see here is the only source of air into the clinic. They don't have an air condition or any fan. So from morning till the time they close, it has to be open throughout. It has to be open throughout, and by 9 or 10, maximum by 11 o'clock, you see the nurses with some dirty dust.
Yeah.
Because the road is
the
very...
windows even look really bad.
Yeah.
The nets, yeah.
So we realized that this wasn't something we could renovate.
Yeah.
So we decided to build an entirely new facility for them.
Oh, wow.
And that is what we're doing. And,
okay. And how far gone are you in that project?
That is
oh,
that's
wow.
We've roofed it. We've done the plastering. First, what we call first fixes for electrical and plumbing works. So we're now pushing to get into the finishing and equipping it. We hope to get this up and running by the end of our Rotary year, which ends on 30th June 2024.
Okay. So this is Walk for a Child, but this project is bigger than
a child.
I mean, because you're looking at an entire community benefiting from this clinic. This is amazing. How long have you... how many years have you been doing this project?
This started in 2021.
Okay.
And this is where we are now. It's a project that we envisage is going to cost us about 1.8 million cedis. We've spent... Including
furnishings?
No.
Or just the building?
To complete the building.
Okay.
And then we are sourcing hospital equipment from different sources.
Okay.
Yes. But to get a structure done with at least basic windows, chairs, desks, and things, we're looking at 1.8 million cedis. We are now aiming to raise about $1 million from now, And if we do that, we'll be able to complete this.
Okay. So much later, we'll be telling you how you can be a part of this very wonderful initiative in the community of Brekusu. And you will be, I'm sure, pleased to join the Rotary Club Accra Ringwood Central Branch Club, to help the people of that community. But here's what I say about supporting initiatives like this. You never know where you will be at any time and need healthcare. It's interesting, You may just be going up the mountain and have an emergency. And you maybe you may need a facility, and who knows, you could benefit, or even your child,
Child could be in Ashesi University.
Exactly.
Right there.
Exactly.
That's the nearest clinic.
Yeah. So you don't have to be close to support, right? You don't have to be close to support. So these are the numbers you can send your donations to. That's the Momo number, right? Do you just mind confirming what name will appear on that number?
The club name, Rotary Club of Accra Ringwood Central.
It's not a personal name. If you see a personal name, it means you've dialed the wrong number.
Exactly.
So the number there for your donations, or you can donate to EcoBank Ghana Limited, right? So the first account is the Ghana CD account, and the second one is the US dollar account. We are putting that there because we know that there are those of you who watch us all over the world, and we are calling for support. You just want to make a difference in the life of somebody, and Rotary Club has made it easier. You're almost done, right? And so we just need all of you. What about if I want to join the walk? Do I need to be a member?
No. You're very welcome to join us. We'll assemble at Laboma Beach on Saturday morning. We start assembling at 6 a.m.
Okay.
We intend to hit the road at 6:30. We'll walk along the Labai Pass towards Osu.
Okay.
So we walk along that road till we get to the start point of the Ring Road East.
Okay.
And then we turn around and walk back.
How many kilometers?
It's a distance of 8.8 kilometers.
That's a lot.
It's a lot, yeah. And we're hoping to get it done in about 2 hours.
Okay.
But you look fit. You'll be able to walk.
No, I mean, I will be able to walk,
Yeah.
but I mean, 8 kilometers is quite a stretch. Yeah, but it's a good one. I mean, for those of you who have not been doing anything to active, just join us on Saturday. We're starting off at the Laboma beaches.
Right. And we end.
So we're just going to do a round trip. This morning we brought you a story about staying active, right, because of non-communicable diseases that are, affecting a lot of us. So it's one of the ways to start it. Come and join a group. But there's the spirit of a group.
Yes.
When you're working with a group, it's not as difficult as when you're alone.
Walking all by yourself. The entire group will just carry you along, and before you realize, you would have walked 8.8 kilometers without realizing.
But I'm also interested in the long term. How do people become members of the Rotary Club? Yeah.
Well, you need to be introduced to us, and you start visiting. We're open.
Okay.
So you are free to visit us. We meet at Alisa Hotel on Tuesdays at 6:30 p.m. Between 6:30 and 7:45, we're done. Guests are always welcome. You visit us. You can visit us for as long as you choose to.
Okay.
Get to know the ins and outs of Rotary, and then if you think it's something you'd want to be a part of, you then tell us, yes, I've seen what you do, I like what you do, I'd want to be a part of it, and we're happy to have you.
Okay, but you have to go through some processes, right?
No process. Well, you just visit and see what we do.
Okay.
You sit in our meetings.
Okay.
You'll be introduced to us as a guest. Guest of Juanita, guest of Kojo, do that. And after you have seen what we do, and you're convinced that you want to be a part of us, we then take you on. We don't go through any initiation. We'll just have
vetting or
well, there's a vetting. You need to be of good character to be a Rotarian.
Okay.
So the person introducing you to us should be able to vouch for you and say, this guy is somebody who I think is fit to be a Rotarian.
Okay.
Yes, because we live by certain strict ethical standards.
Okay.
Yeah. We have what we call our 4-way test of the things we think, say, or do.
Yeah.
And the first thing is that, is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendships? Or will it be beneficial to all concerned? That's how we try to live our lives. So you come in, you see what we're doing, and if you are attracted to it, we're happy to have you. Because we need the numbers. The more people we have going out there trying to help their community, the greater the impact we're able to make. So we're very open to getting new members on board.
I like the part about being beneficial to others, and that's exactly what you're doing in Brekusu, embarking on this project. And we would just like to go through the numbers again and show you the pictures as well. So these are the numbers you can send your donations to. The Momo number 055-913-3353. The name is Rotary Club of Accra Ring Road Central. Or you can send to Ecobank Ghana Limited. The CD account is 144-100-213-7746. 144-100-213-7746. The dollar account is 3441-00-213-7752. 3441-00-213-7752. If you're not convinced, let me show you the pictures again. What the Rotary Club saw at Brekusu. There you have it. This is not a place you want to receive health care. You may even end up leaving sick. Probably. I mean, so much dust. Yeah. There's just so much dust there. So that's the Brekusu Chips compound. And the Rotary Club said, you know what, we can't renovate this. We're going to start from the scratch, which meant getting land.
Yeah, the chief
donated.
Land,
fantastic. Yeah. Thank you so much, the chief of Brekusu, for doing this. And so there you have it. That building is coming up nice and steady. So the Rotary Club needs 1.8 million.
Well, we need about $1 million now.
Just about
the
total
project cost is 1.8 million cedis, but where we are now, we need about $1 million to finish.
$1 million cedis. It's possible. We know it's possible. The very little drops we contribute will make that, as we say, mighty ocean that can satisfy the financial needs of this project. And so please, just help us do this for the people of Brekusu. Put a smile on their faces. And that community is becoming a very fast developing one. Yes. A lot of people are building there. A lot of people are. So if you are someone who has land at Brekusu, please.
You're going to live anywhere.
You're going to live there in that part, in that enclave. Just support. You never know. You may say, oh, I don't fall sick. But you never know. So please, just help the Rotary Club do this wonderful work. So your final words, Juanita?
Okay. Aside with the completion of the building, we also need hospital equipment. Okay. Yeah, when the building is done. So individuals, private companies, government entities, any donation, cash, in kind of hospital equipment, office furnitures, yeah, we'll be grateful.
All right. Okay. When I almost mentioned the company's name, but I won't do that. Please. Those of you who are into providing furniture for hospitals and facilities like that, please just contribute your widow's mite. Your last word, Mr. Crum.
Well, we thank you for having us here, and we'll take this opportunity to reach out. There's so much that needs to be done in the communities around us, and there's so much we can do if we all put our resources together. We all contribute the little that we can. So at this point, I'd appeal to anybody listening to us now to dip into their pockets, give what they can, no matter how small, no matter how big. We're happy to receive anything. And I'd like to assure our donors that in Rotary, we do not spend money spent for projects on administrative expenses, no.
Okay.
All our administrative expenses are borne out of the dues we pay to the club. 100% of monies that we receive through such fundraising activities go directly and exclusively into the projects they are earmarked for. None of it goes into anything administrative. They are all dedicated strictly to the projects for which we raise those funds.
Please, this is not run like some government institutions. So Rotary is trusted.
Yes.
Yeah. Credible.
Absolutely.
Very right. Thank you so much for joining us. Juanita Esiedu is the project director for this very beautiful project, and Kojo Kuram is president, Rotary Club of Accra Ring Road Central. Please do well to bring in your support. I'll be back with more. Do stay.